Welcome to Mindful Minutes. In today's session, we'll be helping to alleviate anxiety through mindfulness meditation. As we navigate along, we'll delve into the calming depths of the breath, seeking stillness amidst the daily chaos. Remember, mindfulness is not about suppressing thoughts, but observing them with a gentle curiosity. Embrace this opportunity to cultivate inner peace and resilience. Let's begin. Close your eyes gently, allowing yourself to settle into this present moment. The world around us is constantly in motion, and often our minds reflect that very chaos. I remember a time when I felt overwhelmed by the weight of my thoughts, like being trapped in a storm. But with mindfulness meditation, we have the opportunity to anchor ourselves amidst the storm, finding stillness and peace. Allow this moment to be your sanctuary, free from judgment and expectation. Start by bringing your attention to your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest, the gentle expansion and contraction of your abdomen. I recall the first time I tried this. My mind wandered endlessly. Yet, with each practice, I found it easier to return to this simple act of breathing. It's okay if your mind wanders. The essence is in the returning. Imagine your thoughts as passing clouds in the vast sky of your mind. They come and go, sometimes dark and stormy, sometimes light and fleeting. I've had days where anxiety felt like a dense cloud, casting shadows on everything. But as we practice, we learn to observe these clouds without getting caught up in them, realizing our thoughts are not our identity. Now, bring your focus to the sensations in your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. For many, anxiety manifests physically, like a knot in the stomach or tension in the shoulders. Remembering my own struggles, I found that by directing my awareness to these sensations, they began to soften, unraveling with each breath. As you continue to breathe, imagine a warm golden light emanating from your heart center, radiating outwards with each inhalation and enveloping your entire being with each exhale. This light represents compassion for yourself and others. As we approach the final moments of this meditation, gently release any effort. Let go of any technique or expectation. Allow yourself to simply be, resting in the spaciousness of your own awareness. I've learned that in this space, there's a profound sense of peace, a sanctuary that exists within each one of us, waiting to be discovered. As we conclude this session, remember that the journey of mindfulness meditation is ongoing. Each moment is an opportunity to cultivate presence and reduce anxiety. Carry the sense of awareness with you throughout your day, knowing that you have the tools to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. Thank you for joining me in this practice. Until we practice again for more mindful minutes, may you walk gently, live fully, and find tranquility within. Stay mindful, friends.